Hey guys, this is Miss Mosley. I am here to walk you through the Tuesday Daily Star warm-up question. So if you want a pencil and paper and you don't have one yet, go ahead and pause the video here and go grab that, and then you can come back. If you do already have your pencil and paper, then we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the question says, which answer choice does not describe the number 7,141? So the important thing here is the word not. Okay, this word right here is very important. Okay, the word not. Which answer choice does not describe 7,141? Okay, so let's look at our answer choices. So if you have a pencil and paper and you want to write any of this down, I would probably do so because that is going to be very helpful. Okay, A says the sum of 7 thousands and 14 tens. So let's draw that out. Okay, so here's my place value chart that we're going to use. If you need time to draw a place value chart, go ahead and pause the video, draw it, and then click play. Okay, so if we're looking at the number 7,140, we need to put this into our place value chart so that we can change it into words. Okay, so I want you to look over here in the ones place. We have 0 ones. Okay, so we have 0 ones. Let's look in the tens place. We have, actually let's go back to here. I'm sorry guys. Okay, so we are on the sum of 7 thousands and 0 ones. So we want to plug in these answer choices, okay? Because that's going to help us form this number. So 7 thousands, so it told us to put a 7 and a 14 in the tens place. Okay, 14 tens. So what happens there is the 14 tens creates 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay, and then I want you to think about what do we do with those two with this box that doesn't have anything in it. Remember, anything prior to the thousands place we don't need because we know this number doesn't go any higher than the thousands place. So what do we put here in the hundreds place if there's no digit represented in this question right here? It only tells us thousands and tens. So we don't have any hundreds, so that's going to be a 0. So does this number right here match this number? 7,014? 7,140? Do those match? No, they don't match. So we know A does not describe this number. Now, I'm going to walk you through B, C, and D because it's always important to check those answers still. Okay? So remember, we're plugging in these numbers. The sum of 7,140 tens, which comes out to be 4 tens and 0 ones. Okay? Remember, if they tell you 40 right here, if they say 40 tens, you shift that 0 over to the ones place. So 7,140 matches 7,140. Okay? So we know this one does describe. But remember, we want to know which one doesn't. So these are a little tricky when they pair groups up. Okay? The sum of 7,104 tens. Okay? So those are the numbers they gave us. 7,104 tens. Now remember, we're not worrying about the 10,000s place and the 100,000s place because we know our number only goes up to thousands. So Remember what the trick is. What needs to go in that ones place if it doesn't give us any ones? Remember, if it doesn't give us a digit, we always put a 0 in there. Does this number, 7,140, match this number? Yes, it does. Okay, so now we're going to check D. Okay, the sum of 7,140 ones. So again, they gave us a 2-digit number here. So where do you think this 4 is going to shift over to? I want you to think about that. Remember when we did it over here and it shifted to the ones? Same thing. You're going to shift that 4 over here. So does this number match this number? Yes, it does. So we know the only one that did not match was A. Okay? So we know the only one that did not match was A, because 7,000s and 14 tens does not make 7,140. This is another example of why making a place value chart for place value questions is so important. Okay? At the bottom of your screen, after you're done watching this video, click the next button and you're going to do a few on your own. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow for our Wednesday lessons. Bye y'all.